are carefully prepared for harvesting.
This mega rice factory processes millions of kilograms of rice every single day.
This journey begins in rice fields, where young rice plants grow in water-rich soil.
After months of growth, rice plants mature and develop full grain clusters.
These rice fields are carefully prepared for harvesting.
Advanced harvesting machines cut and collect rice efficiently. The rice is gathered and prepared for factory delivery.
Freshly harvested rice is transferred for transport.
The harvested rice now begins its journey to the processing factory. The journey begins with freshly harvested paddy rice arriving at the factory. Conveyor systems move the paddy rice for initial processing. Impurities are removed to protect machines and improve quality. Now the rice is ready for the next critical stage. Vertical elevators transport rice efficiently. The husk is gently removed using rubber roll huskers.
Lightweight husk is instantly separated.
Controlled friction removes bran layers. Broken rice has separate uses. Different grades are processed separately.
This is where transformation truly starts.
Final quality inspection begins.
AI sensors detect defective grains.
This creates market-ready rice.
Now the rice turns white and edible.
Premium rice is selected for packaging. The final stage begins. trusted by millions of families over all the world.